Hi, I'm Lindsay with Signifier Medical Technologies, and in this video, I'll talk to you about mouthpiece replacements. eXciteOSA is a medical device, and as such has been tested to the highest international standards for safety and efficacy. Our regulators have informed us that after 90 days, every mouthpiece should be replaced to ensure the highest level of efficacy and safety. As you approach the 90th day of your mouthpiece, you will be reminded in-app that the expiration is nearing. At that time, you will be able to purchase a replacement mouthpiece so that you don't miss a single session. If you have any questions or concerns about the replacement mouthpiece, please contact us via the in-app chat or give us a call so that we can help you. Thanks for watching.